សួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយអត់ខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំមានវីដេអូខ្លីមួយទាក់ទងទៅនឹងការរៀននិយាយភាសាខ្មែរអូខេខ្ញុំនៅមានសំណួរច្រើនបាទមានអ្នកមានសំណួរច្រើនចង់សួរទាក់ទងទៅនឹងការរៀនភាសាខ្មែរហើយទាក់ទងនឹង short phrases ដែលចាំបាច់ក្នុងការនិយាយភាសាខ្មែរប្រចាំថ្ងៃ Okay, let me speak a little bit in English. Welcome to my Slow Khmer podcast. Thank you very much for watching. Because I feel like many people in need for basic phrases in Khmer for beginners. So today's videos, I'm going to help you guys learn 15 or about 13 to 15 phrases for beginner. Okay, so let's get started. So the first phrase is hello. How do you say hello in Khmer? So there are two ways, right? We have formal and informal hello. So let us get started with the informal way. The informal hellos in Khmer we say Susday. Susday. Okay, Susday. So when do you use Susday? Susday. So Susday is an informal hello you use with your friends, your colleagues, someone that you already know. Right? So when you see him or her, you just say Susday. And then how about goodbye? The informal goodbye is Lia Hai. Lia Hai. Lia Hai. Lia Hai. Again, the informal goodbye, you use it with someone that you already know, your colleagues, your friends. Okay? Let's jump to the formal greetings. So the formal greeting for hello is Chung Riep Su. Chung Riep Su. So when you say Chung Riep Su, you have to put your two palms together and you bow a little bit to show respect and you say Chung Riep Su. A lot of people ask me, because we have different gestures where to place your two hands together, right? So at least we have 4 or 5 different ways where to put your two palms together. So in my experience, you have to put your two hands together, two palms together against your chest, next to your heart. This way, it means that you show respect to the person from the bottom of your heart. Okay? Because as a foreigner, it's a very confusing because the higher where you put your two palms together is the more respect you show. But as a foreigner, it is very confusing, where to place your two palms together. But again, as I mentioned, put your two palms together in front of your chest, next to your heart, and then you bow a little bit, that to show respect to someone from the bottom of your heart. Okay? And the same when you say Chum Riep Lia, goodbye is Chum Riep Lia. Chum Riep Lia. Chum Riep Lia. Okay. Next one, number 3 is very important also, is good morning. Good morning in English. In Khmer we say Arun Susday. Arun Susday. Arun Susday. Arun Susday. It means good morning. We have good afternoon, we have good evening, and we have good night. But those are the three we don't really say it in your daily activity or daily life. We use it only in movies maybe, but in real life practice, we don't really use the other three. When we meet people, just say Susday, hello, hello. But the special one is good morning. For example, if you meet your colleagues in the morning, this is very famous for Khmer people also. So when they meet in the morning, they say, Arun Susday. So Arun Susday. Arun Susday, it means good morning. Arun Susday, okay? And then let's jump to the next one is asking people, like, how are you? How are you doing? What's up in English, right? How are you doing or what's up? So how are you doing or what's up or how is going on or what is going on? In Khmer we say Sok Sabai De, 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 Sok Soksabaite, Soksabaite. So if you know a name of a person, you can put like David Soksabaite, Dara Soksabaite. Okay, some things like that. Okay, how are you? So what is your response if someone asks you Soksabaite? Your response are repeat Knyom, I, me or mine. Knyom Soksabai, I'm good, I'm fine. Knyom Soksabai, Knyom Soksabai. Okay. Next one, this is very important. The word thank you. In Khmer, we say all good, all good, all like awesome in English, awesome. So all good means thank you, all good. How about thank you a lot or thanks with S at the end? I mean all good chran, all good chran. So when someone offer you something, you say oh all good or all good chran, chran. This one I got usually got to ask also, like when you bump into someone, right? Or sorry or excuse me. In English, there are two ways to say that, but in Khmer, we have only one. Somtok, somtok. Sorry or excuse me. Somtok, somtok, somtok. How about yes in Khmer? Anybody know? Yes in English, or maybe in other languages, maybe you have only one to say yes. But in Khmer, we have two because of gender. Mhm. So for male, we say ba. You always say ba for male. Ba, ba. And for female, you always say cha, cha. So bad and cha. So for male is bad and for female is cha. The word no thank you also very important. Yes, in this country, when you are in Cambodia, a lot of people try want to offer you something, to want to offer you something. For example, like Grab or TikTok, right? Mhm. So when you say no thanks you, ate or kun, ate or kun. So say no politely, ate or kun, and you smile at the person that offer. Ate or kun, or ate or kun chran, ate or kun, or ate or kun chran. Mhm. How about see you later? This is very good also to know this phrase. Mhm. See you later. Anybody know how to say see you later or see you next time? In Khmer, we say ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ See if you split each word, for example, number ជួប is to meet or to see in this situation, in this context.គ្នា here like each other. So the you like because it's plural គ្នា So ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយពេល like time ក្រោយ is later. So see each other later time. ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ ជួបគ្នាពេលក្រោយ I think that's it for today. Thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. So please, if you like to receive a new video, please um, press, like and subscribe my channel. And also, the next time you can see my new video. Thank you very much and have a good day. Akuncha,